So jambo,
before.
we don't greet each other jambo normally. That if anybody greets you jambo, you already know they are foreigners. So
I have here a bottle.
oh
Of
yeah.
So welcome to Mundo.
Welcome.
You're so welcome, guys. This is the awesome Damaris
Thank
Jenga.
you.
When
Thank
I grow
you.
up, I want to be like her.
Oh,
No, I'm not even kidding.
me too. When I grow up, I want to be like her. I'm just jealous here. Seated down, this lady can speak many things. I just want to have all those knowledge.
Everything is a learning process, really.
Yes, yeah.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh yes,
Do that
yes.
one,
How
yes,
rude
please.
of me. Hi guys, welcome back to Mundo's channel. My
Uh-huh.
name is Damaris Jenga. I'm from Kenya, and I'm a travel content creator on YouTube. So you better go check me out if by chance you've not. And subscribe to this channel. Then head over, subscribe to my channel,
Yes.
and let's have a good episode today.
Yay! Hey guys, take a pen, take a book. We're learning Swahili, okay?
Yes.
It's gonna be fun.
Say how to say welcome.
Okay.
That is when we arrived here. The guy said welcome.
Mhm.
Welcome is karibu.
Karibu.
Yeah, like Karibu. Karibu. Karibu.
Karibu.
Yeah. And then what do you say when you're told welcome? You say asante.
Asante.
Thank you. I say
Okay.
welcome, thank you.
Okay.
So anytime you want to say thank you, you say
Mhm.
asante.
Asante.
That should be easy.
Okay, so
Yeah.
karibu or karibu.
Yeah, karibu.
Karibu.
Asante. Yeah, amazing. You're doing well.
Asante.
So when it comes to greetings, yeah,
Mhm.
we normally have different greetings.
Okay.
It depends on how amateur you are in your Swahili. So for example, tourists when they come to Kenya,
Mhm.
they are taught jambo.
Mm.
You've ever had jambo?
I've heard.
So jambo,
Before.
we don't greet each other jambo normally. That if anybody greets you jambo, you already know they are foreigners. So what we say is habari,
Mhm.
sasa.
Mhm.
So habari
Mhm.
can be used anytime.
Okay.
So I say habari, and then
Mhm.
you respond mzuri, mzuri. I'm good. How are you? I'm good. Yeah. So let me teach you also the amateur one. Jambo,
Uh-huh.
you respond jambo. That's why they make it, because it's very easy. So I'll be like
Okay.
jambo.
Okay. Jambo.
Yeah, exactly.
Jambo.
That's like hi.
Jambo. Jambo.
Yeah.
Jambo.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I
Yeah.
blanked out.
Mhm.
And the other one?
Habari.
Habari.
Yeah. So habari is
Okay.
habari mzuri.
Habari mzuri.
Yeah.
So if you don't want people to notice that you're from outside,
Yeah.
you go like
Habari
habari
mzuri.
mzuri. So habari is the question.
Yes. And then the person responds as mzuri.
Mzuri.
So mzuri is I'm doing good. So that is very formal.
Okay.
Yeah. So to make it a little bit formal, we can say sasa.
Mm-hmm.
Like in normal people, like my
Mhm.
friends, even my mom, I can be like sasa.
Mm-hmm.
That's easy, right? And then be like poa. Yeah, like POA. Poa.
Okay.
Sasa poa. Sasa poa. So it's like hi, I'm good. Yeah, something like that. So the official one is habari.
Habari.
Yes. So habari, we can use habari to grow it up.
Mm-hmm.
So you say in the morning,
Mhm.
habari ya asubuhi. Asubuhi is morning.
Mm-hmm. Habari
Ya
ya asubuhi.
asubuhi.
Like, are you good in this morning?
Yes.
Oh,
So that when
good.
it comes to evening, you can use habari just like that
Okay.
any time of the day. So
Okay.
that way it becomes easier.
Okay.
But now, like during the evening,
Mhm.
you can be like habari ya jioni.
Habari ya jioni.
Yeah, and the response for this is mzuri.
Mzuri.
Yeah.
Oh, habari mzuri.
Yes.
Habari
Habari ya asubuhi.
habari ya
Ya asubuhi. And then you're like mzuri.
Guys,
You're doing
isn't
well.
Swahili beautiful? You said mzuri. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's a lot, but
Yeah. It can be a lot learning all this together.
mhm.
But once you like when you're editing this video, by the time
Right.
you'll be done, you'll be good.
come to
Yeah,
me
you'll
for
just be
lessons.
like, Habari Damaris, and I'm like, okay. What makes Swahili easy actually is the fact that there's not so much difference with English in this aspect. They are only the same letters, the same vowels are the same ones in Swahili. How you read English is probably easier to read Kiswahili than it is to read English, because what you need to do for Kiswahili, every word, like let's say for example asubuhi is S-A-S-U buhi, B-U-H-I. As you're saying it is as it is written. So there's no like I don't know what is silent and such things. So it becomes very easy.
Just gonna share a fun fact about the Portuguese language is that our H is silent, right? Right. So when people, you hardly see Portuguese speaking people say hello.
So they
or
say
hello. Yeah. So the most likely say hello, but like it's there, but it's not really there. And if they pronounce the H, you will see the effort of that person takes. It will be like hello, like you will really hear, the H.
It reminded me of this accent that they don't pronounce the T in their statements. Like
I mean French sometimes too.
No, it's still English, but it's an accent.
I have here a bottle.
Yeah.
Man, accents. Okay, it's appreciation, okay?
Amazing. So for Swahili you say everything. So there's Kiswahili, so you can already spell by saying it. So even when it comes to like reading, you would be getting everything straight. If you're able to read English. So question.
So do you have a word for good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or do people use the same greeting throughout the day?
In the formal and in the official learning of Kiswahili, you actually learn some different words like shikamoo, marahaba. Those are like greetings for, I don't know, your mother, your whatever. Those. But in real life, we don't use that. So even in real life, you'll just find us say habari or sasa.
Okay.
So what the difference you can put is like habari on depending on what time.
Okay.
So, but for me, now that I come from Kenya, I told you this off camera. Tanzania Swahili and Kenya Swahili is very different. Tanzanians speak official Swahili, like full Swahili. When you come to Kenya, we have even something called Sheng, which is a combination of Kiswahili and English. Okay. So you find me mixing some Swahili word and some English. So I will not necessarily be speaking. I can even greet you in English and then I continue in Swahili in my talk. Okay, another fun greeting is normally mambo. Yeah, like how are you? But that's an easy way. Mambo, poa. So I've taught you several. Yeah, poa. Poa is the sasa.
The POA. Yeah. Mambo, poa.
Yeah.
Habari,
mzuri. Yeah.
Oh, how do you say you're welcome again?
Oh, karibu. Yeah. Asante.
I'm sorry, but that word asante is just, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Yeah.
So guys, this was our quick Swahili lesson.
I also hope you know some Swahili words by now, by the end of the video. Yeah, so practice with someone. If you have a Kenyan, Tanzanian friend, call them and be like, habari, just something. Practice and you'll get better.
Yeah. Practice makes perfect. We cannot overemphasize this. So I hope you enjoyed it. And actually, to make matters fun, if you speak any language other than English, leave a comment in your language. Like just leave a comment, whether it be thank you, good morning, good afternoon, I like this video, or I didn't like this video, or tell me about this, or
just say it.
Just drop it in the comment box down below
in
in your native language or in any other language that you speak.
Yes. We'll be waiting to read the comments.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So please don't forget, this is the amazing Damaris Jenga.
Yeah.
Go to her channel, subscribe, and see all of her amazing experience. So thank you so much for willingly teaching us and for just being this awesome person you are.
Thank you very much, and also thank you to you who has watched till this last part of the video.
Oh, for real.
Yeah.
For you are the real OG. Alrighty, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes,
share
please.
it with your people, your friends, or anybody. Don't keep all this good stuff just for yourself.
Please subscribe. Until the next video.
Au revoir.
Bye for
Oh,
now.
how do you say goodbye?
Oh, kwaheri.
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 Kwaheri.